Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is day 61 of my coding journey. So in this video, I'm going to be trying to create a login and sign up modal. I probably only have time to do one, so I'll probably just do the login modal for now and then probably do the sign up one off camera. So yeah, let's get started. Don't want to waste any more time. Um, Off camera, I fixed up that grid that I was working on the other day. I changed it up to look like this. So in the video, I believe that this image here was taking up like 4 rows. I had more data. It was looking a little weird, so I changed it to do this, and I still haven't changed the images up or nothing. But yeah, it's also responsive as well. So all I have to do is just change the images, change the titles, uh, in the data file that I have. So yeah, that's something I can do on my off time. It's not really a rush, but this is how the grid is gonna look. It's responsive and it looks nice on mobile. So yeah, I think that's probably be all for this page. I still have to add our text back here. I think I just gotta change the Z index and then move it to the top. But yeah, I think this was really it for this page. I might add something underneath here. I don't know yet, but we'll see. But yeah, let's get started. Also, I might add an animation as well. All right, so this isn't a tutorial. This is me trying to figure out shit. That's like 99% of my videos. So it's gonna be some googling. I do have some knowledge of use state now, and I've been using use state throughout my whole site. So I think I can do it without googling. But it's there. I got the tab open and ready if I need it. So yeah, let's get started. So let's go to components and let's go to navbar. And it's really windy outside. So navbar.js. So this is where our buttons is at. So what I was thinking is, because this file is getting so big, I was thinking about putting the buttons in a whole separate component. I've seen it done before. I saw a guy, I think it was actually multiple people, because that's all I watch is coding YouTube videos now. Coding really took over my life. But I saw a guy, basically he took his buttons and used those as its separate components. So I'm thinking I might do that because I don't want this file to get too big, but I think it's gonna be a little bit too much work. And I don't think this file needs too much. So we already got the use state. So I probably should, but I mean I could. I'm trying to think. Should I move these into its own component? So yeah, we can. Let's go. Let's do it. Why not? So let's so we're gonna need 2 folders. Let's do a button, buttons, because we might have different buttons. So we'll do button, and then in this folder, let's do, or maybe I should do, yeah, we can do it like this. So let's do in this folder we'll do login btn.js, and we can keep the styling. I don't think, actually we probably should move all the styles in here as well. Let me see, let me go take a look at the styles. So for the nav bar, where's the styles for the button? Yeah, I don't think I should do this. Where is it? Wait, nav bar, where's the buttons? I just think this is gonna mess everything up for some reason. I don't even see the button. Okay, login button, here we go. So I mean, it's not that much actually. So we got the login button, and when the login button hover. So I mean, we could, I guess. But don't I have like 2 sets of buttons? I forgot. Don't I have 2 sets of buttons? Hold on. I remember I had to do something stupid to get those buttons outside. I forgot what I did. I did it on camera. So to get these buttons inside of the... Yeah. So look, yeah, I got mobile button container. So this is display none on... Okay. So that's that. Yeah, I think I might. I think I might have to. Buttons. So login button. So I have login button and then let's do a login button CSS. Login BTN CSS. Alright, so we got that. So let's go ahead and RAFE and I cannot believe I'm really about to do this. Alright, we shouldn't have to. Oh yeah, we do gotta import like use state and shit, but we'll do all that. Let's just try to get the button back to here without having to do anything. So let's go back to our navbar.js, and all we should have to do is copy this here, login button, copy, and let's import login btn from there and just switch it out here. So, oh, I like that. So login. Login BTN. I'm trying to think how this is gonna work. Okay. I think I get it. All right. I think I get it. All right. So let's go back to login. This wasn't planned, by the way, man. Like I probably should have kept it in there. If anything, I can always, you know, switch it back. All right. So let's import. We gotta import link from React Router DOM, and it should turn back. Okay. So we got our button back. All right. So now we separated that, which is good. So let's just work slowly here. Let's start the modal for that, I guess. All right, so before I do anything, let's transfer all of the CSS over to there just to be more organized. So we got login button. And we have the hover. I believe that's it. So we gotta add that to here. So import what is it? Login btn dot css. I think I just I gotta put dot slash. Alright, perfect. We still got our hover effect. Okay, so we separated the file. Alright. Okay, so now let's do our modal. So we got our button. So we got a button component with our buttons in it. So now let's do a not in there. So in our components, let's do a modal. Maybe modals. And we're gonna start with the login modal. So let's do login modal.js. And then we need a CSS, a login modal.css. All right, so we got that, and let's go ahead and do RAFE. All right, let's go back to our button. Close out some of this squat. All right. Alright, so we got that. I don't think we need to do anything in here anymore. So let's close out of that. We got our login button. We gotta watch the time because gotta go soon. I'm gonna come back and finish the video, obviously, but alright, so we got our login button. Still got our hover. goes to home. Wait a minute. We probably shouldn't have it going to anywhere, actually. Let's do that. I don't want it doing nothing. All right. Okay, so we need to do import use state. Or use state. I like doing little. I like it looking like that, like with a little space. Looks more clean from React. Alright, I think that's the only thing we need here, and maybe our login modal definitely. So let's import login modal, and we'll put that. Wait a minute. Oh man, I don't think this is gonna work. Maybe it will. 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 Oh. You don't try it out. You don't really try it out. Alright, we need to do a wrapper. Not a wrapper, a fragment. Alright. So that should mess it up. Okay, so there's our login modal. Okay. Alright, so let's do some state now. So import, not import, const. And then we need an array. So I guess we'll do for this one. Since it's inside the function, I think I could just name it like just open modal. Because I'm trying to think, should I do like login open modal, because I got to do a sign up one as well. But since it's inside the function, that one can be the same as well. So I'm going to do open modal and then set open modal. And this one is going to equal to use state and then false. All right. Normal stuff. All right, so let's go to our, so let's get rid of it. So to get rid of it, all I have to do is this. So I'm gonna do actually, hold on. We gotta pass it a prop. So let's pass it open modal because it's false. So we want it to be false. So let's pass it open modal and do open equals open modal. Pass it some props. We gotta give it a assist. That's, you know, when what really helped me with props is like basketball. Like I'm a huge basketball fan, so like just like, you know, you passing the ball and now it's time to do some layups with it. Let's get it. All right, so we got our login modal. That was probably like the dumbest analogy ever. I'm sorry. All right, so let's destructure the thing in here. Let's do open, and so now we gotta, let's get it closed. To get it closed, just one line of code. So if open, so if it's true, I believe, since we set it to false, we're gonna return null. So that got rid of it. Okay, perfect. All right, and I don't think we need this anymore. All right, so set open. All right, so now let's add an on click to our button. So on click, and it's gonna be an arrow function in here. And I'm gonna set open modal to true. Let's see if it works. There we go. Now we just need a, actually I probably should, well, we could toggle it. I think to toggle it, all we have to do is this. But I don't think we should have to toggle it. believe it's something like this. Open modal, something like that, I believe. And that's to toggle it on and off. But I don't think we have to, because once it opens, it's gonna take over this whole entire screen. So we shouldn't have to add like a toggle feature to it. So let's just set it to true for now. And that gets it open. Let's refresh just to get rid of it. Make sure it still works. Okay. Alright, so we got that. And now we gotta pass this another prop of we can do close modal. And this is gonna equal to an arrow function. And this is going to equal to set open modal, and this is going to be false. So this is going back to false. And we need like we need to actually make the modal. So let me just make sure this works. So I'm just trying to get the functionality done, and then we'll do like the whole entire modal itself. So let's add a div, and for now I just want to do a button. And we're gonna give this one. Oh, we gotta pass our login modal to ball. So we gotta set it. Gotta pass it to ball. So I probably should just do close, since we got open and close, not close modal. Let's just do close. Be better. So close. So open, and then close, and then we're gonna give this on click. This button on click, and then just close. And then we could just name it anything right now, because this is just me trying to get the functionality right. All right, so there we go. So we got our on click close, bam. So now let's actually build a whole modal. So we got it working. Now we just gotta build it, and that's the easy part for me. Just making like I could do all this front end stuff, but like when it comes to like all this technical stuff, it's I don't know, it's a little tough. It takes me a while to get it. All right, so we need overlay to like make the whole entire page so like a little darker. So let's give this a class name of Modal overlay. And the good thing about this is this could be the same thing for my sign up as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. Modal overlay for that one, and then in here, what do we need? Like a div, and this is gonna be a class name of modal container, and let's do a login. Let's do a h1 of login for now. So that'll be at the top, and then trying to think. So that'll be at the top. Let's just see how this looks for now. And okay. All right. So let's actually get things right to the right thing now. So let's go to our login modal. We gotta import it here. Import / login modal .css. All right, so that's that, and now let's actually start styling stuff. So the modal overlay, modal -overlay. So trying to think. So this should be so let's do a width of 100 VH, I think I probably should make this position fix, maybe. Throw it out of whack a little bit. So position fix. So this width would be 100 VH, and the height. Oh, I said VH. I meant view width. 100 VH for view height, and then view width. 100 view width, and let's give it a background color of let's do RGBA. I want 0, 0, 0, and then 0.5 or 6. It can be anything. Okay, so that's that. That's not working right. Maybe give this a Z index of 9999. Okay. Okay, it's not working right. Maybe left 0, left 0. Here you go. Right, 0. Where did it go? Or maybe take off this as view width. Yeah, this shit just not working. I think I know what I did wrong. Oh, I didn't even open it. I'm stupid. Oh, I'm stupid. Hold on. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. All right, so let's go back to position fix. And let's give this a left of 0. So it's like inside. Maybe absolute? What about fix? Okay, so fixed. And let's do bottom 0. Huh. So it's only given Modal. There's something I did wrong. I think I see. Huh. I think I see what I did wrong here. So this is inside of this is inside of man, hold on. This is weird. It's inside there. It's position absolute. And yeah, it's just not working. I think I did it wrong. I don't think this login modal should be with the button. All right, guys, I think I figured it out. It took me a while to get. Let me make sure I'm recording. So yeah, it took me a little bit to get. It's still, it messed up my site definitely, but I made sure I started recording again once I figured it out. So you click on it and now it does the whole overlay. So what it was and now when I click on it, it doesn't exit. Fuck. I actually know how to fix that. But what it was is because my navbar JS, it was, my buttons was inside this LI right here, this list item. So it was like, it was throwing it off a little bit. So I'm just going to remove that and let me make sure my animation still worked. Did my animation still work? See, I took off the animation of that. No. Oh man, hold on. I know what to do. Control Z. So what we can do is just this. So we got our button. Can I just throw the animate prop in here? Let's see if it works. Animation. Let me just see if it works like that. I think it gotta be in a motion div. Yep, it does. Fuck. Let me see what happens if I just throw this in a div. So this is what was messing it up. It was inside of that LI, but I didn't try a div yet. Like I said, I just started recording. All right, let me see if it still works. Okay, so it does still work. Nice. So I just had to go in a div. Okay, perfect. So let's get rid of that and let's go ahead and put our motion div back there, and then our animation and animate equals animation, and then we should be able to put our class name btn class name and then btn dash container, and that should make it work now. There we go. So it was because it was in this li. And now let me make sure that my animation still work. Okay, perfect. Oh no! Oh, it's not working. See, it stopped working, man. Oh my god. Why is it doing that? Let me go check btn container. Btn container. Oh, that sucks. Let's do position. What are all the positions? Let's look up all the positions. Position CSS property. Maybe there's something that I'm missing. Okay, let's try some of these. Let's try the absolute position relative is okay. I know that one. Fix relative to the browser window. So that's what I have. The element is position. Okay, I know that one. The element is position. User scroll. Default value inherits the parent. Let's try something. I know this won't work, but it would be cool if it did, right? That would be really, that would really be cool if it did. But it's just not working, man. Let's try position relative. I think I gotta keep refreshing. Maybe it's, yeah, it's not working. Oh man, this is annoying. I'm not gonna lie. So login modal. So when I remove this div from the nav bar, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, I know what to do. I think I know what to do. I think I know what to do. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Got our buttons back. So now it works. We got our modal works. Okay. But our animation only does that one. But this is nested inside the nav. So what I'll do is instead of where we at? Instead of making this div animate here. Wait, we got two animations? Okay, instead of making that, let's remove the animation on this. I'm just gonna turn this into a regular div. So remove the animation. Let's just cut it. Turn that back into a regular div. Okay. And we also got another one somewhere. Where is it? So this one here. So let's remove this as well. And remove the animation. Okay. Now let's put the animation here. So motion.nav. And now it should work. Let's refresh. There we go. Yep, perfect. It's just moving slow because my computer is shitty. But it's working. Wait. Wait a minute. It's not working. Oh my god, what did I do? Oh, okay. I know what I did. The same thing that happened to me down here. Yeah, the same thing that happened to me down there. So what it is the ref, it's looking for that LI. It's looking for this nav, but it's not there. So what I'll do is just add the ref to this div. And now it should work. So we scroll up. Huh. Still not working. Am I supposed to motion div that shit? I'm supposed to motion.div this maybe? I don't think I have to do that. Oh man. Oh shit. I'm not done. Okay, but we got the animation to work initially when you refresh, but it's not working whenever you go like leave and come back like these ones, like how it keeps animating every time. So I think I might work on that another day because we're trying to build a modal. Not another day, but another time. We're already like 30 something minutes in. I have about probably like 20 more minutes and I have to go. So let's just work on something else for now, and then we'll worry about that. But that should be an easy fix. We just gotta figure it out. I'm thinking maybe. Yeah, it should be an easy fix. We'll figure that out. But we got the. What happened? It was just working. It literally was just working. Like, what happened? Maybe because of this? What happened? It literally was just working. I'm seriously just about to take this off, dude. Like, seriously. Take this animation off for now. Okay, there we go. It's working now. Let's keep it like this for now. We'll worry about animate. I mean, if the nav bar not animated, it's fine. It's not that serious. The rest of the site is animated, so. Alright. So, let's go to our modal. Alright, so we got our modal container. Let's add some, probably like some P. Just trying to give it like I should give it like a width and stuff too. Okay, so modal container. Let's go to, so let's close out of some of this stuff. So we don't need navbar anymore. We need that. We don't need navbar CSS. And we don't need, I don't think we need that anymore. All right, so we got modal container. We got position fixed. Width 100%. But I probably change this to like 600 pixels for now, and because we gotta play around with it. And let's do a background color of white. Maybe we can see it. Can we see it? Okay, so yeah, we can see it. So now I want that directly in the middle, so that should be easy. Come on now, we should know how to do this now. Left 50%, right. Oh, I think it's top. See, look, I'm already fucking up. Top 50%. Okay, and now translate. Or is it transform? Transform, translate, negative 50%, and then negative 50%. And then that should make it go right in the middle. Okay. Okay, so you see how it's letting us scroll? We don't want that. So I know how to fix that, I think. And also how it's not letting us close right now. Because I don't know about you guys, when a modal happens, I just click off the page. So to do that, that's pretty easy. Let's go to our login modal, and for the modal overlay, we're just gonna give it a on click. Let me give this a on click, and then we're gonna do close. So whenever we click in there, so you log in, and then so we got all this to choose. If we click inside, we don't want that either, so I know how to fix that as well. So, all right, so we got our login, bam. All right, so now we just gotta fix up the modal, and probably should give it a height, maybe, or probably should let it. I was told that you should never give stuff like this height, because let it get its height itself. So that's what we're gonna do. So I do want to add an image in here. So let's go to Unsplash, find us an image. I don't know, let's go to travel and portrait. It could be something. Ooh, I like this one. This is, I remember I downloaded this before. So let's download this. I cleaned out my whole computer, so there we go. You see? It used to be a lot of stuff there. Let's rename this as Modal Image. Modal Image. Alright, and let's put this in our assets. This is just a test, by the way. I don't know if I'm gonna use that image, but we'll see. Alright, so let's add the image. So we got our login. So let's do the modal container. So log in, and I probably should put that in its own div maybe, and then put these in its own div. So this would be a div inside the container, and let's do an image div, and this will be our image src, and we're gonna do header modal image. We gotta import it. Alt, it's gonna be just be anything for now. Travel. All right, so let's import the image. Import modal image from / think for some reason my shit has not been working. I don't know why, but modal image .jpg maybe. Yep. Let's see if it works. Okay, yeah, it worked. Look how big that shit is. Sheesh. Let's give this a class name of let's do modal image container, and modal image container. I probably just want to grab that image, and then let's do a width of 100%, and then a height of maybe auto. Okay. I'm trying to think. Maybe I should give this a height. Maybe I really should give it a height. Or maybe, let's see, 300 pixels. No, we don't want that. We do want object fit cover though. Okay. And then let's play around with this. Well, actually, let's do 500 pixels. Okay. All right. So that's the div for that. And now I want another div. Div. And this will be where our form is at. For our login. And form. And I'm gonna do input. I'm just testing some stuff out, because I'm gonna have to probably finish this off camera. Let's do an input type. It's gonna be email, and placeholder equals enter email Dress. Okay. Oh, I spelled holder wrong. I spelled holder. Wonder why it shouldn't pop up. Oh, I still spelled her. Okay. Alright, so we got our input. So now I just want to, all of this is in its own div. So let's do, we're gonna make this give this a class name of login modal inner. And then you already know what we about to do. You already know. Login modal inner. My favorite. Display flex. Okay. Perfect. Why is that looking like that? Wanna look weird? Border none? They're giving it like it got a border, don't it? Alright. Pop up, bam. What if I added like a duration to here? Let's add a duration. Not a duration. Oh fuck, I'm thinking motion, what is it? Frame or motion. Let's do a transition. Transition 0.4 seconds. And I want to see, so it doesn't like fade in. I wonder why. I'm gonna have to look that up. But alright, so we got our modal. Bam. Okay, so now we need to figure out how we're gonna set this up. Then I'm gonna end this video and then probably style it off camera and stuff because I gotta go here soon. So I'm gonna make the width back to 100% or auto. I wonder why it's not taking up like all of that. Maybe I should do height auto with this as well. All right. My display flex, let's do a gap of 6 rem. And maybe a padding on the container itself. Or maybe the inner. So padding of 3 rem. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. I want the image to take up like that whole side. And I wonder why it's not taking up down here as well. Like, why is it white down there? Is that how the image look? Let me go to the image. Well, it's not how the image look. Maybe give it, wait, go back. Maybe give it a margin top. 1 rem. We can do probably a position relative, and then do top. I don't think this will work, by the way. Yeah, it's just gonna throw it out. Top 1 rem. Yeah, it's just gonna throw it out. Top. Yeah, I shouldn't do this because like when I have to make this mobile, it's gonna look weird. And also, I gotta get rid of these buttons and fix them up. Whew, got a lot to do. Oh my god. Yeah, this is gonna have to go. Gonna be a part 2 to this most likely. Alright, so we got that. So yeah, I want to style this image, but it's not taking up the whole width, and I wonder why. Maybe I should give it actual width. Let's do 500 pixels, right? And then make this container 500 pixels, and then maybe that'll work. Okay, let's take off position relative. Huh. Oh, okay. So it has to be, I'm not counting that. So let's do 500 and let's do 600 pixels for the height. Oh, no, 550 pixels. 475. Oh no, 575. 525. 520. 518. 515. Okay. Yeah, that's not gonna. I don't think that's gonna look right. Probably gotta. It just looks too big. I don't think it's supposed to be this big. Let's take it down. So let's do like 300, 350 pixels. Bring it down. Wait. Oh, that's the width. No, I want that to stay like that. Meant the height. 350 pixels. And then change this to 300 pixels. 320. 325. 330. 35. Oh, I know what to do. I'm stupid. We'll just do this. We can set this to 350. Let it go over. And then we'll just add overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. There we go. But alright, so we got that. And maybe I got a few minutes left. Let's style the H1 right quick. Where we at? So probably could just do modal container H1. H1. We could do text align center. Should move it to the center. And font size of 2.2 rem. Text transform uppercase. And for the color, well, maybe give this a border radius. Border radius of 10%. %? How did it go so much? What the hell? That was weird. Why is it doing that so much? Normally when you put 10%, it's not that much. 3%. Maybe like 1%. Sheesh. Maybe like that, I guess. For the image, let's make the image a little bit bigger. It's like a little white thing under it. I want to see if we got rid of it. Nah, doesn't. Let's do 360. It's like this little. What is that? Like, why is it doing that? Maybe I gotta take off border none, or outline none, maybe. Like that little white thing right there. I wonder why it's doing that. Alright. So that's that. We got our login. So now we just need to make another little form. I'm probably overdoing it a little bit, to be honest. Probably could have just made just a little login form really fast, but login. Let's do a color of. Probably gotta go get our colors, but I could probably just go grab it from here. Let's do this red. Oh, wrong thing. H1. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna work on this probably again tomorrow. But we got it working. Just gotta fix it up, like fix up everything again, as you can see. That's what happens though when you add new features to the site, you know, it breaks other shit. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna fix this up. This does not look right at all. So tomorrow, most likely, or maybe the next day, I'm gonna work on this a little bit more. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. That is this is what, day 61. You know, I'm on React Native in my boot camp, so it's learning something new. So I'm definitely don't really have. I mean, I got time, but you know, don't really have that much time to work on this right now. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. That is day 61. Peace.